Well, hello everyone. I'm Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, coming back to you live in this rainy South Florida. Woo, as things are taking place. Well, let me tell you something. Things are always taking place down here in sunny South Florida. I swear to God, there ain't a day that goes by that things aren't happening down here with yours truly, Mr. Sunshine. And as we sit here and bring you Locksmith Eddy, we bring you Realtor Eddy, we bring everything that what life has to offer here in sunny South Florida live to the Facebook audience around the world. Well, you know what, Kathy Gray, even in the rain, Ronnie James Dio, every day, we got Ron Fox calls. Ron, let me tell you, Ron, you, me, and Ronnie James Dio. Oh, yes. Big Ron, you know, Ron, you and I, we live, we breathe, we inhale sunny South Florida each and every day. We live it to the maximum. And you know, Ron, as things begin to cultivate, it's written. As things are cultivating in South Florida, you've got a lot going on in the Ron Fox Causey life. I've always got something going on in sunny South Florida. We got Dominic Mazza. Woo, he's coming here tomorrow. Oh, you better be careful, Dominic. Time is ticking down. Each and every day, you're down to the last 24 hours, pal. In 24 hours from now, I don't know where you're going. You're back on your own, like a rainbow in the dark. Just a rainbow in the dark. Yeah. If you want to get an eye opener, you just turn on a little bit of Ronnie James Dio. Kathy Gray, we're going to make sure we're going to ring your chimes for you. Now, you've been down here enough to know Dominic tomorrow, he's a virgin of sunny South Florida. Well, I'm going to break the cherry for him tomorrow. He's going to walk that aisle right into Taboo tomorrow, and I'm going to make sure that those women from one end of that bar at Taboo to the other are all going to be saying, Sunshine, finally, Dominic Mazza has come to South Florida. Where? Oh boy, Mason, let me tell you, Mason, Dominic Mazza is coming tomorrow. I got Mickey John Dio. He's going to be here tomorrow. Well, let me tell you something, my friend Mason. It's not a done deal. You can still get in on the action. Mason, you can be rest assured, my friend. You can be rest assured tomorrow, shirts, jackets, and ties. You're going to be looking at you're going to have at least 4 gentlemen. Well, you know what, Mason? It can be number 5. You come on down, bring your jacket, bring a nice shirt, and ladies, you will have your choice. you will have the opportunity. You got Mr. Wonderful, Leo down on one side, Dominic Maz on the other. We got the young stud, Mickey, gonna be there. And the captain of the ship, the man that makes things go round and round. There you go. Relax. Don't do it when you want to go to it. Relax. Don't do it when you want to come. Relax. Don't do it when you want to do it. Relax. Don't do it when you want to come. You know what? If there's when you want to come. Well, let me tell you something. Ladies, I will dictate when you're going to come. I promise you that. There ain't a woman alive that's not going to have a smile on her face, the look of satisfaction in her eye, with Mr. Sunshine and the crew of gentlemen that will be appearing tomorrow. All right? Oh, yes. You know what? We can sit here and sing it until the cows come home. Oh, relax. Don't do it when you're going to come. Oh, yeah. Laser beams. I'm going to get shut down. Relax. Don't do it. Don't do it. Relax. Don't do it. When you want to come. Oh. Laser beams. Goes to Hollywood. Well, Dominic's going to Palm Beach. And Mr. Sunshine. Woo! Look at that beautiful lady right there. Oh, my God. When you want to come, you can be rest assured. Lori Bush Phillips, good afternoon. It is Mr. Sunshine coming to you live right here, right now in rainy South Florida. Well, come tomorrow. It's all going to be a nice, beautiful, sunny day. And Mr. Sunshine is going to bring it all to you live. That's right. We're going to bring it all to you live tomorrow, Lori A. Bush. But in the meantime, in a rainy South Florida, I'm going to bring it to you live today. Hope you're all going to have a great day. Mr. Sunshine is stepping into realtor-ready shoes right now. We got some action going on. We're going to show a couple of properties right now. Pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Coming to you live in sunny South Florida.